Hey guys, this is Ankush and welcome to my YouTube channel. So just recently we saw that how to create the 6 month data or how to filter out the 6 month data based on the requirement. Let me show you where it is, this one. Okay. So this is the SQL query. Just we solve that query. You can watch from my YouTube channel. Okay. So now let's see how can we solve the same query and in Tableau. Okay. So since I've uploaded, it still is pending. It will be uploaded after 10 to 15 minutes. You can watch this. Okay, this is quite simple and straightforward in SQL. So if the ask is that you need to create the same kind of the solution in the tablets, how can we do that? Okay, so let's jump into the solution. We have the data. Let me show you where it is. Okay, the same query, same everything will be the same. So the tool will be the different. Okay, so earlier we solve using the SQL. Now I wanted to show you how can we solve in using Tableau. Okay. So we have the customer, we have the order. I have downloaded the Excel sheets, okay, in both the tables, and I've connected in the Tableau. Okay, so let me show you the data source. So I'm making the relationship. First, the primary table is the customer. Since we are also taking the customers in the primary table from the SQL server, okay, in the PG admin, and I did the same in the Tableau, okay. And the second will be the orders, okay. And we are using the same kind of the joining condition as we did in the SQL server, okay. Customer ID and customer ID, okay. So till now, all good. So far, so good. Okay. So we exactly replica for the joining level till here. Okay. So let's move into the seats. Okay. So we want city first. Okay. Why I want city? Because we also taking the city in the SQL server. So that's why I'm also taking the city in the Tableau. And second will be, let's say, count. So count will be my order ID, I guess, customer ID. So customer ID is going to my unique, let's say count. Okay. And third object will be amount. Let's say amount. Okay. And we also filtering out the active records. So let's say is active, and I'm also taking the one. Okay. And what we did in SQL, we also filtering out the 6 month data. So we are showing the 6 month data in the SQL. So same way we need to filter out the 6 month data. So I make it very simple. I don't want to create any calculation since this is ask is very simple and Tableau is very easy to create this kind of solution. Okay. So if I wanted to make it complicated, I'll create the LOD, I make it the fixed of the city level, then I make it a count. If is active is one and order date is this 6 month, then give me this. No, I don't want. I make it very simple because this is ask is very simple and it should be the doable without using the relative date. So I'm taking the order date. Okay. So let's say I'm taking relative dates. The ask is we need to show the 6 month data. Okay, so let's say I'm going to 6 month, apply. uh, it's a 6 month, not 6 weeks. Okay, and here we go. Let's check in SQL, are we getting the same output or not? Let me run that. Okay, so if you see in SQL server, so we got Delhi and Mumbai 2 and 1 6500 1000. Okay, in the total amount. Okay, we got the city in Delhi and Mumbai. Let's see in Tableau. We also getting in Delhi and Mumbai 2165 1000. Okay, so the same way we are getting the all like the value in the SQL server. Yeah, so it's in Tableau. It's very easy, very simple. Just the one thing is need to consider that you need to know the what we call the ask. What is the ask? If you know the ask, definitely you can create this. You can create and achieve this solution by in Tableau, Snowflake, or maybe or the PG admin is wherever ID, maybe in the Python as well as the ask. Ask you need to understand the ask first. Okay. So that's it. I just wanted to show you how can we do it in the Tableau. Earlier we did it in the SQL. Now I did it in the Tableau. So hope both the tools you clear and you know how to achieve this using SQL and Tableau. Okay. So thank you for watching this.